welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am making chicken curry very unique way. This is the chicken. I've washed it. You can see I've cut up onions here. I've put them in. And this is the masala: ginger, garlic, red chilies and jeera. So I put the masala in here. You can see this is all raw, all kacha it is now. Today I am going to make the curry. Everything will be kacha, means raw, and you see the way how I will make it. Then I will put the turmeric powder, I will put little bit chili powder because I have already put in the red chili. Put in the salt. Now I will put in the mustard oil. This is the mustard oil which I have put. I cut up some tomatoes here. This also I will put in. Friends, this is the chicken masala. This also I will put in. Bas, this much of masala I have put in. The masala is all kacha now. Now I will put it on the gas to cook. Friends, I have put it on the gas. I will put some water also. This water will cook up the chicken, and last of all I will show you the last step when the masalas all be fried. Now I will cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see the water is drying up now. After the water dries up, I will fry the chicken along with the masala, what is in it. Friends, you can see the oil coming up in the curry over here. You can see the bubbles. Now the chicken is being fried along with the masala. This I am frying it. I'll fry it nicely and it will be dry chicken curry. Friends, you can see the oil bloating so nicely. You can see the water is completely dried up. The masala also is turned brown along with the chicken, and the chicken also is fried up nicely, well cooked, and the chicken recipe is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.